Good evening and welcome back. You could almost make a video game out of this. Spot the H's because they're moving all over. They stand for high pressure areas, and high pressure means getting rid of the clouds, getting rid of even the inkling of precipitation. You see moving there toward Kansas City, where they're enjoying a long off season football-wise. But with that high pressure and clear skies comes a chance for the warmth to escape overnight, and we have our current temperatures already down in the mid-20s in some areas or even lower. So what we gained today, although relatively it felt warm, will be lost overnight. How far down can you go? We're going to call it an 11. Temperatures near 11, a few clouds and plunging temperatures again, and we have had 5 of the coldest mornings of February right in a row here. I'll give you those numbers starting with Monday: 3, 5, 8, 2, and I believe it was a 5 this morning. Futurecast is telling us what is happening tonight. Clear skies letting the warmth escape, the little warmth that we gained, and then we have some clouds moving in before sunrise, and those clouds move in and then move out, giving us a sunny day. Now, sun during the daytime is a chance to warm up, but it won't warm up greatly. In fact, our high temperatures near 37 will be below normal for this time of year. But look at that big gain from 7 a.m. till noon, doubling our temperature past the freezing point, and we like being above freezing. Looking at your full weekend, we go from a 37 on Saturday to 45 on Sunday. More sunshine during the daytime, of course, and winds from the southwest helping to bolster temperatures. And then Monday, we've got those winds at work again, picking up a little bit, and the temperature in the lower 50s, which for the first time in a long time, above normal for this time of year. One factor as well, look at this. We are up to 11 hours of daylight now, and you know what happens 4 weeks from tomorrow? It is the spring equinox. 12 hours, equal day, equal night, generally speaking. Sunrise tomorrow morning, 6:35, and sunset more than 11 hours later in the evening. That helps, but it's not the only factor, of course. We are going to have an interesting 7-day forecast to show you, but before we get there, let's not put the cart before the horse. We all want an early spring, and I think what is currently happening for the next week is just a tease. It will get a little bit warmer, but the Climate Prediction Center says below normal temperatures for that week that starts March 1st through March 7th. That's, of course, not spring break yet. And you will notice, and I'll leave this in here for Cub fans, in Arizona, the Cubs are going to play in the warmest spot in the nation probably next week if they have home games spring training-wise. Now, here's your 7-day outlook, and I call your attention to the top of the screen. This is what would be normal for the 7-day period, a high of 47 and a lows near 28, and we see we don't really get there until actually Monday. Monday is when we first start having above normal temperatures, but it's not going to last. You see, we go from 52 to 55, and then we have a wind shift, winds shifting from the north, coming from the northwest, as they've been from the southwest during this period previously. And with that wind shift, well, it was too good to be true.